Hello and good morning from Louisiana. I have been invited out here to experience my first ever Mardi Gras at Lafayette. I have no idea what to expect. This is all so new to me, and I am very excited for the food, so let's get eating. About to do a swamp tour. That's something I never thought I'd say. So yeah, I'm hoping we see some alligators. So the Tabasco Factory has its own restaurant, obviously all dedicated to Tabasco, and I do not know what anything on the menu is. I'm just going to give it a go. I got the sampler, so we have a gumbo, actually I don't know which one's which, a gumbo, a red bean dish, and this is the crawfish, I think. So we have just arrived at the Crew of Bonaparte parade, which was basically a new parade set up in 1972, I think, to encourage young people to celebrate Mardi Gras more here in Lafayette. Okay, we've just been for a really nice breakfast at a stereotypical American diner, which is always nice, and now we're at kind of an RV park, and there's a boucherie, which is, if I pronounced it correctly, is basically like a live interactive butcher show. Just behind me they are they're cutting the pig up. It's already been killed, so we missed that part. Don't worry, I'm not going to show it. I don't know how involved I want to be in this. I'm just walking away now. Traditionally was obviously something that was done out of necessity to feed the local community. These days it's been reimagined. It's more of a performative cultural show, and yeah, I'm gonna have an open mind and just experience it as it happens. This morning we have come to experience a quintessential Cajun Mardi Gras practice. This is the Courir De Mardi Gras. It's basically the run where they chase the chickens. So they don't do this at just every Mardi Gras. Don't know what to expect, so we'll just see how it goes.